So hello everyone. Welcome to you all. So first of all, wish you a great wishes of Holi. So happy Holi to you all. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is haloalkane and haloarenes. One short revision video. So first of all, I would like to clear one thing. In this one short revision, I am not going to complete every aspect of the chapter, but still we will completely revise the important topics, important reactions, important concepts regarding this whole unit of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So in this unit, definitely if you will see the complete video, so it will be very useful to you all. So in our first, that haloalkane and haloarenes, as you all know, if any alkyl group is directly attached to the halogen, X means halogen, so this is haloalkane. And if this is aryl group, means C6H5, this is C6H5, X means Cl, Br, anything. So this aryl group is C6H5 like this. If this is attached to Cl, so this is known as haloarenes. Okay. So first I'm going to classify it, the very simple classification on the basis of number of halogen atom. You know, if the one halogen atom, it is known as monohaloalkane. If two, this is dihaloalkane. If three halogens are trihaloalkanes. As you all know, this is monohaloarenes and this is monohaloalkanes. If the two Cl group, for example, this is written like this: CH3, CH2, CH. For example, this is CH and this is 2Cl, Cl and Cl. Here this is hydrogen. Okay, so this is known as geminal. If both the halogens are attached to the same carbon. If the halogens are at the adjacent carbon, this is known as vicinal. This is known as vicinal. VICINL, vicinal. Okay, geminal and vicinal are most important, commonly used in the reactions. And similarly, you know what are 1 degree haloalkane, 2 degree and 3 degree haloalkane. So easily you can classify it. For example, this is CH3 carbon, this is CH3 CH2, this is Cl. For example, this halogen is attached to this carbon and this carbon is only attached to one carbon. This is known as 1 degree. And for example, this is CH3. Now the halogen attached to that carbon which is attached to 2 carbons. So this is now 2 degree. If this is also CH3, so in this case the halogen which is directly attached to that carbon which is attached to the 3 carbons, it is known as 3 degree haloalkane. Okay. Similarly, there are quite important 3 names. This is allylic, vinylic and benzylic. As you all know, what are the allylic? So we will understand the allylic. Means allylic, for example, I am going to write it. For example, this is allylic, CH2X. Okay. If you are having any problem to understand this line diagram, so I am going to write it. For example, this is CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2X. This is any halogen. Okay. So if the halogen atom sorry, if the halogen atom which is attached to that carbon, this is the carbon which is a double bonded carbon. तो जो भी डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन है उसके नेक्स्ट वाले कार्बन पे अगर हैलोजन अटैच है, सो सच टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड्स और हैलाइड्स आर नोन एज एलाइलिक हैलाइड्स. Okay. Similarly, you can place here oxygen. So this is allylic alcohol. If this is halogen, so this is allylic halides. Okay. So, okay, student. It might be 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, whatever it will be. So simple. You have to understand. Carbon carbon double bond के next वाले carbon पे अगर halogen attach है, so this is known as allylic. Okay. Now you can easily understand it. Or you can say the halogen is attached to that sp3 hybridized carbon which is sp2. तो sp2 के बगल वाला sp3 hybridized carbon जिस पे halogen attached to, this is known as allylic. Okay, student. Now come on to the vinylic. Okay, so vinylic is very simple. I am going to write it here. Vinylic is CH2 double bond CHX. Means halogen which is directly attached to that double bonded carbon, means which is sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 hybridized carbon से जो halogen attached है, it is known as vinylic. Okay. And similarly, what is benzylic, student? Benzylic means this is the benzene ring, and in this benzene ring, suppose this is CH2X. Not indirectly, this is not benzylic halide. Okay, this is haloarenes. Now, if the halogen atom which is directly attached to that carbon which is attached to ring, तो जो halogen है वो जिस कार्बन से अटैच हो वो रिंग से अटैच हो, so this is known as benzylic. Okay, so now this is the basic classification. So note down 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, allylic, vinylic, benzylic, and the simple classification of this halivariants. I think it is clear to you. Now come on to the general method of preparation, student. Okay, this is very simple general method of preparation. So in this preparation you have to keep in mind some important methods. So in your examination the method will not be asked directly, but indirectly the question can be put in front of you. So first of all you have to understand what are the general method of preparations. So first we are going to prepare it with alkanes. So from direct halogenation, this is the alkane. On with the help of direct halogenation, Cl2 in presence of HNO. So two type of product will be formed, in which one will be major and one will be minor, one will be major. So why this is major? As you all know, this is the free radical halogenation. So here will be 2 degree, that's why it is major product. So similarly you can put some more example on it, like CS3, CH2, CH3. If I am going to make it halogenation with halogenation HNO, so what will happen? There will also be two products, CH3, CH, Cl, CH3 plus CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. So how this will take place? What will be the mechanism? You can go to the description box for playlist and the detailed method, but this is not time to study in detail. You have to keep in mind, for example, if you are going to halogenate it, so one H from here, one Cl can be removed from here, means HCl will come out, and the remaining Cl will attach to here, or it might be H will came from here. So this will be the major product, because here will be 2 degree carbocation will be formed, which will be more stable. So that's why this product will be major, this will be minor. Similarly you can take more alkanes and you can halogenate it. So second method is by addition of HX, means with the help of addition of hydrogen halide on alkene. Alkene के ऊपर आप hydrogen halide का reaction ये कर दीजिए. For example, here is written HBr. Okay, if there is written benzoyl chloride, so you have to go for the anti-Markovnikov rule. So now Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov, you can easily understand. This is HBr, this is positive part of that, this is negative part of that. So this is opposite of that Markovnikov rule. In this carbon will go to this hydrogen will attach to this carbon, and this Br will attach to this carbon. This will be a product. But simply this anti-Markovnikov rule is only specific for HBr. But if there is HCl, H positive, Cl negative, and Markovnikov rule, you know about it. The negative part of that reagent will attach to that carbon, and the positive part will attach to this carbon, because there is more substitution, as you know about the Sadjev rule in class 11. So I don't think this is any problem. So now third is from alcohol. As you know, it is very important. So alcohol, it is also asked in examination, Lucas test. So first you have to know what is Lucas reagent. This is concentrate HCl plus ZnCl2 anhydrous. So alcohol will react with concentrate HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. This is alkyl chloride, haloalkane plus H2O. So in this reaction there is a formation of carbocation, and as you know, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. Okay, I'm not going to the mechanism for this reaction, but you have to keep in mind, with the help of alcohol, if you are going to prepare the haloalkane, there is a simple reaction, you have to remember it. And one thing note down, this is carbocation banega. If the carbocation will form, so the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. As you know, 3 degree carbocation will be the most stable, then 2 degree, then 1 degree. So that's why the 3 degree alcohol with Lucas reagent, immediately it will give the white PBT. As if there is 2 degree alcohol with Lucas reagent, it will be the turbidity or the will appear within 5 to 10 minute cloudiness. So what in case of 1 degree alcohol, which is least stable, that's why there will be no white PPT or no reaction with Lucas reagent. No PPT will appear in room temperature. Okay, so this is the reaction with alcohol. And now there are more important reaction with alcohol. Okay, so if alcohol will react with PCl5, this is phosphorus pentachloride. Always you have to keep in mind, if there is PCl5, so POCl3 and HCl will come out. The remaining will be RCl, haloalkane. Similarly, if PCl3 trihalide, 3 molecule of RCl plus H3PO3. So this is the reaction. You can go to the mechanism, but no need of it. You have to directly look at the product. This is very important process. Reaction with SOCl2. This is Darjan's method. So preparation of haloalkanes from SOCl2 is known as the best method because all the remaining species, the byproduct, are in a gaseous form. So this RCl will go to good yield. There will be good yield because the remaining byproduct are in the form of gas, so they can be evolved out. So this is the Darjan's method, one of the best method to prepare the haloalkanes. So now last method, red phosphorus with halogen. So directly you can prepare RX. So just take a screenshot of this. This is very important. Now we are going to move the next type of reactions. One is known as elimination reaction. This elimination reaction is also very important, student, as this reaction by name it is asked in examination, dehydrohalogenation. D though hydrogen, halogenation, hydrogen or halogen will remove out. So this is haloalkane. In the alcoholic KOH, in presence of ethanol, you have to heat it. So similarly K will remove KX, then water, then the remaining species will be alkene. So note down, this is important reaction. Now reaction with metals. As you all know, this is the RX haloalkane react with metal like magnesium in presence of dry ether will form RMgX or CH3MgX. This is the Grignard reagent. This is Grignard reagent. It is also very important. So similarly there is a Woods reaction also. For example, this is RX. If you are react with two molecules of sodium, 1 mole molecule of RX, again with the help of dry ether. So this XX and Na will remove, means 2 molecule of NaX will come out and the remaining species will be RR, means alkane. So this method is known as Woods reaction. Okay student. Now the next method is reduction. If haloalkane is react with 2 nascent hydrogen, it will come from the zinc or concentrate HCl. So this haloalkane will convert into alkanes plus remaining HX will come out. So this reaction is known as reduction reactions. Okay student. I think this is also very clear to you. Now I am moving to the next slide, that is some important reactions. It is frequently asked in the examinations, some important name reactions you can say, or halide exchange methods. So in halide exchange method, what happens? The first method we are going to discuss is Finkelstein reaction. It is exclusive for preparation of alkyl iodide. It is exclusively prepared for Ri, means CH3I, C2H5I, iodide, alkyl iodides. So RX plus NaI in presence of acetone, the Ri will be prepared and NaX will come out. Okay. Now this NaI, as you know, it is soluble in acetone only. So as you know, like dissolve like, polar dissolves polar. That's why we are using acetone. Okay, this X can be Cl and Br. So this is simple reaction. You have to take a screenshot, then we will understand it. Okay, now the second one is Schwarz reaction. It is also very important reaction. It is exclusive for alkyl fluoride. It is exclusive for alkyl fluoride. If RBr, alkyl bromide, react with AgF, in presence of AgF, you can take antimony fluoride also. You can take SbF3. Also, you can take mercury Hg2F2. You can take AgF, whatever is suitable for you. So there is alkyl fluoride will be formed. So this reaction is specifically named as Schwarz reaction. So next one is Hundsdiker reaction. It is silver salt of carboxylic acid react with bromine. As you know, this Ag will react with Br, forms AgBr. This CO2 will come out, CO2, and the remaining species will be RBr, alkyl bromide. It is specific for exclusive for RBr, alkyl bromide. Okay. So as you know, there is 2 carbon atom in the chain, but here is only 1 carbon atom in the chain. So the descent of chain, for the descent to decrease the carbon atom in the chain, specifically you can use Hundsdiker reaction. So that's why it is important. Okay student, now we are moving towards the next reaction, that is halogenation of aromatic hydrocarbons. This is benzene. You know this is very simple reaction. With the halogen, you can easily prepare haloalkane in presence of FeCl3. But the halogenation is occurring in the side chain, means in this carbon the halogenation will occur. So in this case Cl2, CH2Cl plus HCl. Again if you are going to do, then till the hydrogen atom will be there, till then the substitution will take place, means CH2Cl2. Now the next will be CHCl, the next substitution will take place in the similar manner. So you can easily understand it. If the carbon atom is present, so the next product will be what? This will be like this. This is the chain. Now the same CHCl2 and similarly you can come till here CCl3. This is benzo trichloride. Okay, similarly this is the simple halogenation in the side chain. Okay student, now come on to the next reaction. This is by benzene diazonium salt. This is most important reaction, benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, for example, this is the aniline. As you know, if the aniline you are going to convert it into this benzene diazonium chloride, so for this you have to do NaNO2 plus HCl, it will form HNO2. So directly it will convert, aniline will convert into diazonium salts. So this diazonium salt, if you are going to react with Cu2, Cl2 or HCl, this will form chlorobenzene. Cu2Br2 plus HBr, it is formed bromobenzene. So these two reactions are known as Sandmeyer reaction. This is known as Sandmeyer's reaction. This is known as Sandmeyer's reaction. If in place of this reagent, if you are going to simply use Cu/HCl or Cu/SBr, so this chlorobenzene and bromobenzene will be formed, and this reaction is known as Gettermann's reaction. This is known as Gettermann's reaction. Okay, very simple reaction. Okay, now come on to the next, some chemical properties. As you know, the haloalkane ka reactivity, the iodide, alkyl iodide will be more reactive than bromide, then chloride. So similarly, it will show some kind of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Always remember, go to the mechanism for SN1 as well as an SN2 reaction in the description box in the playlist of haloalkane and haloarenes. So वहाँ पर मैंने SN1 और SN2 के डिटेल मतलब मैकेनिज्म इन अ सिंपल वे में एक्सप्लेन ये किए हुए हैं. So go through it, then you can easily understand these reactions. So first, if alkyl halide react with aqueous KOH, so similarly KX will form, alcohol will form. If KCN, तो RCN plus KX. If AgNO2, RNO2. With this lithium aluminum hydride, this is the reducing agent. So in this, the RH, alkane will form. So this is the 4 important reaction for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now, one more thing. This is electrophilic substitution reaction. It is most important reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. As you know, in this electrophilic substitution reaction, student, there will be electrophile. So, as you know, this is the haloarenes. This is haloarenes. For example, there is X. X having halogen. Halogen के पास lone pair of electrons होंगे 3. So due to this halogen, due to this electronegativity, due to minus I effect, it will draw the electron from the ring. But due to this lone pair, it will give the lone pair to the ring. Due to this, it will show plus mesomeric. This is minus inductive as well as plus mesomeric. So due to plus mesomeric, halogen increase. This halogen increase the electron density in the ring. So electrophile, whatever will be the electrophile, this one will be shifted here. There will be negative charge will be occurs in ortho and para position. So that's why the electrophile is more attractive towards the ring, specifically ortho and para position. But due to the minus I effect, electron density in the ring decreases. But this is the exceptional case where I have written minus inductive effect is greater than plus mesomeric. This is the exception only in case of haloarenes. So note down this point. Hence, halogen deactivate ring for electrophilic substitution, but if somehow electrophilic substitution is forced, अगर हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन होगा नहीं बट फिर भी कुछ स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन होंगी, कुछ फोर्सफुली कंडीशन पे ये करना चाहे तो ये रिएक्शन हो सकती है. तो उस केस में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शंस है जो यहाँ पर मैंने लिखी हुई है. दिस इज हेलोएरीन्स. हेलोजिनेशन अगर आप ये करवाएंगे Cl2 एनहाइड्रस AlCl3 के साथ तो एक आपका बन जाएगा ऑर्थो डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन. दिस इज पैराडाइक्लोरोबेंजीन. दिस विल बी द मेजर प्रोडक्ट. ओके, ओनली यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट इज वेरी सिंपल. इफ द नाइट्रेशन कॉन्सेंट्रेट HNO3 के साथ, ठीक है, यहां पर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल क्या होगा स्टूडेंट? दिस इज NO2 नाइट्रोनियम एंड NO2 प्लस होगा. सो दिस इज ऑर्थो या 1 क्लोरो. दिस इज द मेजर 1 1 2. तो 1 क्लोरो 2 नाइट्रोबेंजीन. दिस इज 1 क्लोरो 4 नाइट्रोबेंजीन. दिस विल बी द मेजर. सिमिलरली सल्फोनेशन कॉन्सेंट्रेट H2SO4 के साथ SO3H plus will be the electrophile. So at the ortho position it will occupy as well as in para position will be occupied. This is what? This is 1 2 2 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is 2 chlorobenzene 1 2 2 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is 1 2 3 4 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. So this will be the major product. Okay student. So now one more thing which we have to keep in mind. in the electrophilic substitution reaction, for example, this is the haloarenes. If you are going to react it with alkyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, so what will be the product, student? This is the benzene ring, this is Cl. At ortho position there will be H, this Cl will remove out, HCl, the remaining species will be here ortho position, as well as this product will occur at the para position. So this is what? Orthochlorotoluene, this is parachlorotoluene. Out of these two, this will be the major product. And similarly, you can do the reaction if the haloarenes react with acetyl chloride in presence of alkyl chloride. So if the reaction will occur with the alkyl chloride, this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If this is acetyl chloride, so this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation. So simple reaction will occur. This is Cl. Now again there is hydrogen, there is again Cl. The remaining COCH3, this is CO, CH3 will ortho, and the remaining species will be, this is Cl, this is, sorry, now this is at para position, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, this is orthochloro, this is what? This product is orthochloroacetophenone, acetophenone, and this is parachloroacetophenone. Okay, now this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Out of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reaction is very important. This is the simple reaction. I think you all are able to understand it. So some more reactions which are also important, like this haloarenes के लिए कुछ important reactions हैं student. I hope आप इनको भी देख लेंगे. Haloarenes की important reaction है जैसा substitution reaction. अगर आप लोग अब फाइनल प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं क्लास 12th में, तो यू विल इजीली एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. तो सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन, क्लोरोबेंजीन है, हेलोएरीन्स, NaOH से करें तो बन जाएगा फिनॉल, अगर NH3 से करें तो बन जाएगा एनिलीन. ओके, नाउ सिमिलरली one or two more important reaction. If reaction with metal, okay, the reaction with metal, first I have written here, so I'm going to explain it to you in the simple way. For example, okay student, for example I'm going to take it here. For example, this is bromobenzene. If I'm going to react it with 2 molecules of sodium plus 1 more molecule of bromobenzene, okay, now in presence of dry ether, so what will be the product? The product is very simple. Br, this is twice NaBr, twice NaBr will come out. Now the remaining 2 ring will diffuse to each other like this. Means आप देख सकते हैं 2 rings are fit. So that's why this reaction is known as Fittig reaction. This reaction is known as Fittig reaction. So in place of this, if I am using any alkyl chloride, for example, if I am going to take alkyl chloride plus 2Na plus this is CH3Cl. So in that case, what will happen? This is alkyl chloride, this is aryl chloride. So the similar thing will happen, twice NaCl minus twice NaCl. Now the remaining species will be like this, the ring, and this is CH3. This is toluene, and this reaction is known as like Wurtz-Fittig. This reaction is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. I think this is also very clear to you. Fittig and Wurtz-Fittig. And similarly, if this is the alkyl iodide in presence of copper, so this will also diphenyl, and this reaction is specifically known as Ullmann reaction. And the last one is if the alkyl aryl chloride haloarenes react with magnesium in presence of ether, so this is RMgX, like phenyl ring MgX. So this is also, you know, Grignard reagent. So I have tried some reactions in front of you regarding this haloalkanes and haloarenes. I hope it is clear to you. So this is all about this important reactions regarding the haloalkanes and haloarenes. I hope it is clear to you. If you feel anything important, if you have any kind of doubt, so you can do it on the comment section. Definitely I'll make a doubt section video on the next. So till then, thank you and have a nice day, and wish you once again a very, very happy Holi. Thank you and have a nice day.